Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is March monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries fire sign. What are the messages for Aries and what's going on? Okay, lot of readings getting the same card. Hangman. Yeah. Two Hangman, Knight of Pentacles and Two of Swords. The World, Seven of Wands, Ace of Swords. Under the deck, Four of Swords. Maybe there is no contact situation between you and your person right now. You are undergoing some healing process. You are doing meditation to heal yourself. There is some healing you are undergoing right now. You want to heal yourself from past hurts. Aries. Yeah. You are not talking to with your person. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the Hangman, Knight of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Someone is returning. For some, your person already approached you through communication. But you are indecisive about something because Two of Swords here. Maybe it could be about your person also. Maybe other situation also. And Hangman, you are so confused what to do, how to make a right decision because Two of Swords is here. But someone is coming back to you, Knight of Pentacles, and maybe this person is very sincere this time because Knight's always stable and committed. They want to commit. And present, the World, Seven of Wands and Ace of Swords. Two of Swords to Ace of Swords. Definitely some communication, clarity is coming, truth coming out. They want to express the true feelings to you, Aries. They won't give up on you because Knight of Pentacles with Seven of Wands. Even though you decided to move on from this person, but they won't give up on you. And the World, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. For some, the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again. They want reconciliation if you are in separation with your person. If you are not, they want to take this relationship to next level, but some crucial communication is going to be happen. Future, the Tower, Nine of Pentacles and Justice. Yes, they are coming back for second chances. That's why you are indecisive about which decision you have to make. But you are working on yourself. You will achieve financial abundance here. And you're looking very attractive in near future. You will be like this. For some, you are in this process. You are investing energy yourself. You are working on your abundance, career, growth. And yeah, after Tower moment, you will be in this because there will be some Tower moment in near future. This could be due to your relationship or work area. But there is some decision making, justice. Someone is coming back for second chances. And the person involved in this connection could be Libra. Maybe for some, your person is already abundant, rich also. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Empress. Maybe for some you have kids also. Maybe they have kids. They thinking about you. You are their Empress. Yes, they're thinking about you positively. So let's see their current feelings. Okay. Oh my God. Three of Swords. They're heartbroken. Aries. See. Lot of cards are not. But here, Eight of Cups. Separation. Walking away. Four of Wands. The Hermit. Yeah, you are in separation with your person right now. And Three of Swords with the Hermit. Right now your person is not talking to you. And Hangman, they are stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. They want this happiness with you. Four of Wands, but it is not happening. That's why your person is heartbroken and they are missing you so much. That's why they are not talking with anyone. Not only you, they are isolated from all, undergoing some spiritual awakening. Yeah, they are heartbroken. See how they are feeling about you. They're missing you so much. They're thinking about you a lot. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Aries. This is general reading, guys. May or may not resonate everyone. The Devil. They're obsessed with you. Nine of Pentacles. And the Star. I already told you a person is already abundant. And Eight of Cups. Again, this card came. Definitely, maybe you walked away or they walked away from you. Definitely, someone is walked away in this connection. But if they did it, now they're feeling regret. They have regrets. And the Devil, they're obsessed with you. They're obsessively thinking about you. This is very dark energy. They're getting a lot of thoughts. Maybe they're thinking about you a lot. This causing resistance and insecurity. And Nine of Pentacles, your person is already stable financially. And the Star, they're still thinking about you. They're still hoping new beginnings with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, or Virgo, or Capricorn. Capricorn, Virgo, or Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they're thinking, a lot of thinking is going in your person's minds right now. Yeah, they're trying to manifesting you back again, and Page of Wands, some communication. One person is younger than the other person in this connection. And yeah, Six of Cups with the Magician. They're trying to manifesting you back. And Six of Cups. This you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And they want reconciliation. Aries. See, Four of Wands again. You both could be for some twin flames also. You both are in twin flame journey. For some. Not all. For some soulmates, for some twin flames. Nine of Wands. But you also thinking about them a lot. But you are guarded up. You stand by your power, Aries. But you also want this happiness with your person. You are not showing your emotions. You are taking your control back. Yeah, you both are waiting for each other. There is waiting going between you and your person. This is mutual energy, mutual card. Seven of Pentacles with Page of Pentacles. Maybe you both are waiting for communication with each other. Definitely there is waiting, there is wanting in this connection. And your person also missing you so much and thinking about you a lot. There will be some communication in near future, will come message. They're still hoping new beginnings with you. They're still thinking about you very positively. But they're obsessed with you. The Devil energy is here. Be careful. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, then it's up to you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Aries. Yeah, they're very passionate about you. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. Yeah, things are moving very slowly, but still there is some moment. Your wishes are going to be granted. And Hermit. Yeah, you also undergoing some spiritual awakening and judgment here already. Temperance. Everything in divine timing. Patience is the key. Communication is the key. Some major decisions also playing key role in this connection. So let's see your person overall energy. Seven of Wands. They won't give up on you. Three of Pentacles, they really want to work on this relationship and they want reconciliation. Five of Swords and the Fool. Maybe they hurt you in past, now they're realizing. Maybe they have regrets. And the Fool, they want brand new beginnings with you and they want to take leap of faith. And Three of Cups, they want reconciliation, guys. They are very clear what they want. King of Wands, they are very attracted to you and they want brand new beginnings. And they won't give up on you. They really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. Aries, then it's up. I think you also want the same, but you are not showing. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. A personal issue reaches resolution, especially when full moon in Cancer. So if you are seeing solution for any problem, especially personal, then it is coming to resolve. Yeah, solution is coming, and this is message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.